How to use TikTok for beginners. If you're new to TikTok, the app is really simple to use. First, create an account to get started. Once you open the app, you'll be brought to the home page. Here, you'll see new TikTok videos from those accounts that you are following, or at the top, you can select the tab For You, which shows recommendations from TikTok of popular videos that you may like. On the bottom menu, you can go to Discover. This displays popular hashtags that are being used and some new videos using the hashtag. You can also search for different hashtags, users, video types, and more in the search bar. Once you search, you can filter the search by using the tabs at the top. If you see a video that you like, just click the video. On the right-hand side of the video, you'll see some commands. The first command shows the user's profile image with a plus symbol. By clicking the plus sign, this allows you to follow the user on TikTok. If you click their profile image, you can also see more on their profile. By clicking the heart, you can like the video. You can also see comments by clicking the comment icon. And by clicking share, you can share with others. At the bottom of the screen, you can add a comment, which also allows you to tag an account or add any emojis. In the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll see a record disc spinning. This allows you to see what music is being used on the TikTok video. If you want to save this music for your own future use, you can add to your favorites. If you go to your inbox icon in the bottom menu, you'll find any activity and notifications that may be happening for your profile. By clicking the arrow in the top right corner of the screen, you can see any direct messages you may have and also start a new message by clicking the plus sign in the top corner. If you click the Me icon in your menu, this will show you your profile. You can see how many accounts you're following, how many followers you have, how many likes you've had. You can also edit your profile and see any favorites that you've made by clicking the banner on the right-hand side. As you can see, the music that we favorited previously is now featured under Sounds. Finally, if you want to create a video, just click the plus sign in the center of the bottom menu. And that is how to use TikTok for beginners. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.